In this section, we're going to look at spheres and how to find the volume and how to find the surface area of these spheres. But first, we need to know the parts of a sphere. So the parts of a sphere are this. Well, you have, it's called a great circle. And a great circle is the part that splits that sphere into two hemispheres, right? So we have, this is the great circle. Slices the sphere into two hemispheres. All right, this guy is still going to be the radius. This point smack dab in the middle is called the center of our sphere. And then, of course, we still have the diameter. So when we're looking at the parts of a sphere, that's what they are. Here below is, you've got these spheres, and it's a formula. You have to memorize the formula to be able to find volume and surface area. So if I want to find the volume, I know the volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. Remember, volume is cubic measurements. So volume is 4/3 pi, and my radius is 7, so I get 7 cubed. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to type it into my calculator. I'm going to open parentheses 4 divided by 3 times pi, open parentheses 7 cubed, and I get 1,436.76 inches cubed. And all I did is I typed that one formula exactly into my calculator. 4/3 pi, 7 to the third power. So volume, surface area, it's really easy. You're just using a formula here. So let's look at surface area. So surface area is 4 pi r squared. So I'm going to do 4 times pi. My radius is 2.8. So literally, I'm going to type in 4 pi, open parentheses 2.8 squared, and I get surface area is going to be 98.52 meters squared. So remember, surface area is squared. And I literally just typed that into my calculator. Okay, that's a sphere. Let's look at hemisphere. So a hemisphere is just half of a sphere. My volume is going to be different here. My volume is 2/3 pi r cubed, still dealing with cubic measurements. So to find the volume, it's 2/3 pi. My radius is 5, so I get 5 cubed. And literally, I'm typing in 2 divided by 3 pi 5 cubed, and I get the volume is 261.8 kilometers cubed. So there is my volume. Now, your surface area of a volume is going to be different. Instead of it being 4 pi r squared, it is 3 pi r squared. So my surface area here for a hemisphere is 3 pi r squared. So again, I'm just going to use my formula. 3 times pi, radius is 14 squared. So I'm going to type that into my calculator. 3 pi, open parentheses 14 squared, and I get surface area is 1,847.3, actually let's keep it in hundreds, so 0.26 yards squared. So that's my surface area. So follow a formula for spheres, and you should be good. If you have questions, come and see me.